Welcome back, everyone. This is Sarah from Blue Ridge Literacy with our newest video on our Community Partner video series. Today, I'm so happy and pleased to have with us as our special guest, Jennifer Smyrnos. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you, Sarah. It's great to be on the community series that you have.
Wonderful. And can you tell us about where you work and what your role is there?
Sure. I'm an immigration attorney, and we have an office in downtown Roanoke by the name of Grace Immigration, although currently we're working from home because of the ongoing COVID-19 situation.
Okay, perfect. So our connection here, our most important connection, other than you being the board president for Blue Ridge Literacy, is that we both deal with citizenship. So
Yes.
Blue Ridge Literacy offers citizenship classes Monday nights and Friday afternoons to help prepare for the citizenship interview, ultimately leading to naturalization.
Yes. It's a
So
great
my
resource.
question for you is, why is it important, or is it important to have an immigration attorney work with you to complete your N-400 citizenship application?
That's a great question, and the answer is going to be kind of a lingual one. That it depends. I would say it depends upon a person's skills and ability sets. People that have a good command of the English language, that feel comfortable filling out forms if they've done so in their personal life for medical reasons or tax purposes. Individuals that perhaps don't have criminal history or prior tax issues, they'll be in a good position to probably prepare and file their own citizenship. Whereas other individuals who need extra support and guidance on how to either master the English language, perhaps there's a criminal or tax issue that in the past that needs to be addressed. Sometimes a little bit of extra help and expertise can be useful in those cases. And working with immigration lawyer, such as our office, can be of assistance.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. So you work with people who are interested in becoming naturalized citizens and also many other clients and cases. So what other cases do you handle at your immigration firm?
Oh boy, we have a ton. So we focus our practice area and kind of, I would split it up into a pie chart of three different areas. The first one would be deportation defense. We represent a lot of individuals, primarily a lot of women and children who are before the immigration courts facing the potential of being removed from the United States. A lot of them are applying for asylum or other types of special protection cases. We also help in family-based cases for individuals that already have citizenship status, already have their green card here in the United States, and want to help bring other family members to the US. And then the third pie of the chart would be our naturalization, our citizenship folks, as well as our victim-based cases, which involves the immigrants who have been the victims of crime or children that have been the victim of abuse, an abusive household growing up.
You must be very, very busy. It sounds like you
Yes,
handle a lot of really
really.
life-changing
Quite
and
busy.
very important services for all of the clients in the Roanoke Valley.
Well,
Um,
I have a mighty legal team, and we love what we do.
that's wonderful. I think that's one of the important parts about having a great team backing you
Yes.
up.
Oh, no doubt. I have two amazing paralegals by my side, and the three of us do the best we can to help as many people as possible.
That's great. So one of the important things I know about your firm is that you offer bilingual services. You offer services in English and Spanish as well. What is the best way to contact Grace Immigration for your services?
Yeah, good question. All of us, myself and our two paralegals, we are all bilingual. We speak Spanish. My paralegals are native speakers, so their Spanish is a little bit more fluent than my own. And the best way to reach out to us is frankly, with a phone call or a text message. We have the same number for both, which, if you want it, if I could share it, is 540-358-5593. And you'll be able to link up with us and see if we can be in a position to help.
Perfect. Great, great. So what advice do you have for anyone who is interested in applying for their citizenship or they're on their way to their citizenship interview in Norfolk, based on all of the clients that you have served in the past in the citizenship realm? What piece of advice or several pieces do you have for them?
It is going to be a few pieces. As we know, kind of the general qualifications for citizenship is one, having good command of the English language, being able to read, write, and speak in English. And Blue Ridge Literacy can be a fantastic resource to that end with our citizenship classes. Also, individuals have to make sure that they learn their U.S. history and civics so they can learn about the founding principles of our nation and the inner workings of our government. And then also they have to possess what's known as good moral character. So this can be individuals that maybe have had prior ongoing tax issues to get those resolved and taken care of, or prior criminal history that may even affect eligibility moving forward that might need to be addressed.
Okay, wonderful. That's great. And thank you so much again for joining us today.
Oh, my
Is there
pleasure.
anything else that you would like to share with us?
Just that during these COVID-19 times, we've seen a lot of upheaval and uncertainty on the citizenship front. I'm pleased to share that our local field office based in Norfolk, the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, did reopen earlier this month on June 4th. And we're thankfully seeing that office, schedule some oath ceremonies while our local courts get back to reopening, hopefully later this September. So on the citizenship front, that's encouraging news to see cases kind of continue to move forward and hopefully make some new American citizens here this summer and fall.
Absolutely. That is wonderful news.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much again for joining us and making time in your busy schedule.
Oh,
We
no
really
worries. My
appreciate
pleasure.
that. All right. Thank you.
You got it. Thank you so much, Sarah. Thank you.